conditioning. Talk about a clunker. It was blue. You could see it coming from a mile away. We had a blast in it. Everybody wanted to ride in the clunker, and I was like, all right, just give me some gas money.
Animate and share your first car story at firstcarstory.com, courtesy of the 2012 Subaru Impreza. Experience love that lasts.
At 5, he's free for now, but Bruce Lisker's fate is still in doubt. Lisker was released from prison last week after serving more than 2 decades for the murder of his mother, a crime he says he never committed. Moments ago, Lisker appeared before a Riverside judge to go over the terms of his release. Eyewitness News reporter Rob McMillan is there live with what happened in court. Rob.
Mark, Bruce Lisker walked out of U.S. District Court about half an hour ago for all intents and purposes a free man for the time being. That could all change if the district attorney decides to take him back to court for the murder of his mother back in 1983. Today, however, it was all smiles. This is the first time in more than 24 years that Bruce Lisker will not have to spend the night behind bars. Bruce Lisker, convicted of murder in 1985, sentenced to life in prison, is now a free man. For the time being, that is. His conviction was overturned, a district court judge citing false evidence, also saying he did not receive adequate representation.
There's just no way to describe it. There's the contrast between where I was a week ago and where I am today is just absolutely amazing, absolutely unbelievable.
This afternoon, a judge set very strict guidelines for his release as he waits to see whether prosecutors try him again. Some of those conditions include not having a passport. He cannot travel outside of Southern California. He can't even enter an airport. He's also subject to constant drug testing. His family also needs to put up a $50,000 piece of property for bond.
I always thought that this would happen. I never stopped. I never gave up hope. There'd be dark times, but you don't let that persist. You just keep going forward and putting one foot in front of the other. You can't give up. The minute that you give up hope is the day that you start to die in there.